Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making the ultimate Tamago Sando egg sandwich in Japanese style. The previous video was a hit. That makes me want to make more egg sandwich videos. We have varieties of egg sandwiches made with Shokupan. It's a Japanese convenience food staple and this is one of the top sales products. I live 30 seconds away from 7-Eleven and we have Family Mart just across the street. I often go to 7-Eleven to buy not only sandwiches but disposable cleaning sheet, something like that. And their multifunction copy machine can do anything from printing out pictures to administrative services. Literally, it's convenient. Let's get started. First, the regular Tamago Sando. Let's start with hard-boiled egg. It's an easy recipe, but you should be very careful. Your egg should be a week old or older, and it should be at room temperature to avoid the failure. I always use large eggs. It takes 10 minutes to make not too hard, but cooked well hard-boiled egg. 10 minutes makes perfect hard-boiled egg in any size. Ice cubes makes the shell shrink so that you can peel it off quite easily. There you have your perfect hard-boiled egg. Cut egg white until the blade touches the yolk. Rotate the egg and take out the egg yolk. Pass egg yolks through a sieve. You can mash the egg yolks with your forks or masher, but this step creates its signature texture, which is creamy and silky of this sandwich. Add in seasonings to egg yolk and mix well. Some people pointed out that the Japanese mayonnaise is so different from the other. I use kewpie mayo half almost all the time, but you can go for your favorite brand. Mix egg white and mix to combine. Spread the filling onto the Shokupan. Keep 2 tablespoons of filling for the later use. And there you have your regular Tamago Sando. Next, double egg sando. Spread mustard of your choice. I'm using honey mustard and mayo on the other side. Spread egg filling that we saved as a glue and place sliced hard-boiled egg diagonally. There you have your double egg sando. You can enjoy the 2 kinds of texture of the egg and it looks so appealing. Next, Tamagoyaki Sando. Mix half a teaspoon of potato starch and half a teaspoon of Mentsuyu and 2 teaspoons of water. Beat an egg and add in the seasonings, just like making a tamagoyaki. This is a thin tamagoyaki to make it easy to eat. Heat your pan on medium and oil the surface. Pour a half of egg mixture, then fold in half. Shape into a little bit smaller than the tamagoyaki pan to fit your shokupan. Add some more oil and pour the rest of the egg mixture. Shape into a square and flip it over. Spread ketchup and mayonnaise on each side of the bread and sandwich the tamagoyaki. There you have your tamagoyaki sandwich. The ketchup and mayonnaise go so well together with tamagoyaki. Next, the scrambled egg sandwich. Maybe this is the newest recipe of all. It's easy but tasty and you can prepare in no time. Season the beaten egg lightly with the salt and make scrambled egg with half a tablespoon of butter. Stir constantly to make a nice fine scrambled egg. Transfer to a bowl and toss in half a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Spread it on Shokupan and there you have your scrambled egg sandwich. Pile up the all egg sandwiches and then cut off the crust. The reason why we cut off the crust is just for the texture. For us, sandwich with shokupan should be fluffy each bite. You can keep the crust for the other use, wrap in the plastic, and you can keep in the fridge or freezer. Maybe I should do crust recipe someday. Use a thin blade threaded knife to cut. Move your knife back and forth constantly and try not to squash the bread. Here are the ultimate Tamago Sando. Make this for a special occasion if you like eggs like me. I hope the video is helpful and I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!